Hi, I'm Beatrice from BakeDeco, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make this Christmas wreath border. All you'll need for this design are Christmas sprinkles and some green buttercream. So this Christmas wreath is very simple and easy to do. We're going to be using our star tip and we're going to pipe rosettes. So you can also incorporate some kisses or stars, and it's going to be a very simple and easy design. So you're just going to be making rosettes all along the border. And now we're going to go along any of these open spaces and just add stars. And to complete your wreath, we're going to be adding some of our sprinkles. So with the spoon, I'm going to go ahead and just sprinkle these sprinkles all around the wreath. So now that our wreath is complete, at this point we can add some pine cones, you can add flowers, or a bow. So we're going to be using some buttercream to create a simple bow. And there you have a Christmas wreath border.